Alright, welcome back to the channel. And as expected, as expected, um, we did had the sell-off. In the last video, I was speaking about where I think the market drawing to, and I had an area on GU, the daily gap, where I expected price to pull back into, and we expect the sell-off. Well, so said, so done. Um, so this video, this week, again, I just gonna look at what I expect for this week coming. Um, we have some news regarding foreign currency this week. Monday we have card news. I don't really have card on my charts again. I don't even know why I still have that news driver here. Um, I mean probably good for gold, but anyways. Monday we have no real news for the PSB trade, but Tuesday London session we have GU news, and we also have CPI for GU Wednesday. So we could possibly be looking at Wednesday high of the week, or maybe Tuesday high of the week, Wednesday continuation in the London session. And to be fair, if we look at how we traded for Friday, we see we took out Tuesday low on EU, but we didn't take out our low on GU, and we put it back into the range. So we could kind of anticipate a move back into the range, um, into Wednesday bullish day, and possibly sell off, because we did have a can't remember what it's called, this candle again, I don't know, on GU. I think that is a shooting star. Could be wrong, but we didn't take out Thursday low on Friday. So possibly we could trade back into the range. Let me see what the forward chart looking. We could probably trade back into this range and see if we still have more move down for the drawn liquidity. Actually expecting the drawn liquidity to be this weekly gap on GU and a little under it. So yeah, this little gap in here. We have a swing low also in here. Sell side liquidity pool. That could be a nice draw on liquidity. And it's also a monthly gap. Well, not yet, no, the gap ain't formed yet, but it looks like it's forming. Anyways, so take a look at the DXY, and we take a look at how last week went. We had a nice strong close above the previous week high inside of a weekly fair value gap. And if you look at euro, we didn't have that. Do we even have a gap on GU weekly gap? Okay, no. So euro, we don't even have a fair value gap. But we close below the gap. Okay, and we close in the gap on DXY. Alright, so I seen here G on euro we took out Tuesday low, but we didn't take out Tuesday high. Okay, so that's a little interesting. But we closed back inside of the range. So we just had ideally look to see if we have any structural level. I just have to really wait and see us trade into Friday's low on DXY. I want to see us trade into Friday low and see how high we get up on EU, so we could know exactly where we stand. That gap might get inverse, but at least we want to know what's going on when price trading to it, and we could see exactly if we have any structural shift. So I was waiting to see our drawn liquidity, but our drawn liquidity for DXY to see if any of these structural levels hold, and as long as those levels hold, we could look for price to probably trade back into this accumulation, the original accumulation of last week, and find some strength to get up into these equal highs at 0.401. Um, if we end up basically inversing and flipping this, obviously we go more bullish on foreign. But until then, structurally, integrity is still holding um, for higher prices, at least on the 4 hour. We didn't have no real pullback on the daily one, a reaccumulation to go up. So until then, we could just expect the draw to be higher on foreign on DXY and lower on foreign currencies.